This is for Year 11 Methods. It's 6i, question 1, 2 and 3. Sketch the graph of the following. Okay, so this is in turning point form. I know the turning point will be at 2 and 5, and it's a positive degree 4. So it's degree 4 and it's positive. Therefore, it's going to start up here and finish up here. So it's going to have 2 and 5. So it's going to look something like this, where that's 2 and that's 5. I can find the y-intercept. The y-intercept will be 0 minus 2 to the power of 4 plus 5. 16 plus 5 is 21. And I've got 2 points labelled, and that's it. This one here is going to have turning point at 0, 0, and it's going to be an upside down. So we're going to look like this. We're going to go up to 16. And to find the x-intercept, 0 equals 16 minus x to the 4. X to the 4 equals 16. So x equals plus or minus a 4th root of 16, which is 2. That's complete. And this one here is going to be an upside down, so it's going to be a degree 4, but it's going to be negative, so it's going to start down here and finish down there. It's going to have turning point at negative 1 and 1. Negative 1, 1. There's my turning point. If I make that 0, I've got minus 2, plus 1 is minus 1. So I'm going to have that at minus 1. So I'm going to look like that with my y-intercept at minus 1. There's my turning point. I'm going to find two x-intercepts. 0 equals minus 2 x plus 1 to the 4 plus 1. Minus 1 over minus 2 equals x plus 1 to the 4. X plus 1 equals the 4th root of a half. X equals minus 1 plus or minus the square root of a half. So this one's going to be minus 1 plus the 4th root of a half. And this is going to be minus 1 minus the 4th root of a half. Solve for each of the following in terms of x, so therefore I need to factorise. So I can take out a common factor of x. X cubed minus 27 equals 0. I can use the difference of two cubes, x minus 3, x squared plus 3x plus 9 equals 0. The discriminant of this thing here is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 9, which is negative, therefore that can never equal 0. So when x equals 0 or when x equals 3, they're my two solutions. I have a quadratic times a quadratic equaling 0. If I could crisscross this to be x, x, 2, 1 with the negative on the 2, so it's x minus 2, x plus 1, and crisscross this x, x, 5 and 3 with the negative on the 5, x minus 5, x plus 3, all equals 0. Therefore x equals minus 3, minus 1, 2 or 5.